Introducing Neon Swim, the revolutionary app designed for swim coaches who demand more. In this video, we'll show you how the subgroups feature in Neon Swim allows you to tailor specific training regimens for different categories of swimmer, such as sprinters, middle distance, or distance swimmers. This feature allows different groups to perform entirely different sets within the same workout. In this example, we have a new workout for sprinters and distance swimmers, where both groups are doing the same warm-up and end-of-practice recovery, but have different main sets. We can name sets anything we want, but for the clarity of this video, the sets have been named according to their corresponding training groups. First, let's add subgroups to our workout. This can be done when creating a new workout or by editing an existing one. Tap Edit in the top left. Then tap the name of the workout you want to edit. This is an optional step, but for organization, let's also add a workout group, and we'll add the sprint and distance subgroups. Tap Edit. Now let's add the appropriate subgroups to each set. Both subgroups are doing the warm-up, so let's add them to the set. We'll edit the set, tap the subgroup button, and select both subgroups. For the sprint set, we will follow the same process, but just add the sprint subgroup. For the distance set, we will follow the same process, but just add the distance subgroup. And for recovery, we will add both again. Taking a look at the workout PDF, we can create PDFs that just have specific subgroups or include all of them to create a master copy. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful in getting started with Neon Swim. Check out our other videos where we dive deeper into the app's advanced features. Happy coaching!